God's greatest resources is people. So when you diss people, you diss the resources God have. And guess what? That's the resources you go and use for bless you. People. It's illegal for God to come out of heaven as a spirit and bless you. He would violate his own laws. So God would have to inspire somebody to bless you, or somebody to show you favor, or somebody to show you kindness. That's how God works, through people. Sometimes people will see how you treat other people, and as a result of that, they won't bless you. And I always teach this: love people, and a fool you fool when you love people, even when them don't love you back. Hello, watch this. God's resources is people. I'll tell you my little secret. Because I keep loving people, and some going to hurt you, but I keep loving other people. You know why? Because there's a sovereign God, is his resources, and one of these days he's going to raise up other person to love you back. And if not you, your children and stuff around you. And those who didn't treat you well, leave them to God, because somebody else going to raise up and treat them the same way. It's a seed time and harvest world.